everybody. Miss Pam here in the kitchen today to give you an idea for snacking. I've been talking with a lot of the parents about snacking issues, so this is an idea that might help you through some of that. It's called a muffin tin snack. So basically, if you have a muffin tin in your kitchen, you can choose a variety of foods. The great thing about this snack is that the portions are a perfect size and you have control over that. Also, you can offer a wide variety. Here you can see sunflower seeds, popcorn, almonds, oranges, salami, sugar snap peas, whatever your kids like, pineapples, pistachios, dried strawberries, cut up sweet peppers, animal crackers, and these are little naan breads that my kids just love. So the idea of this is that the kids help you and they have a hand in making the food. They're often more open to eating it. So you can try sneaking in some more adventurous foods on here and see if they try it out. It's just an exciting, a little bit more of a fun way to eat your snack. I also like it because I know a lot of you are having issues with the kids coming back for snacks throughout the day. You can sort of plan out the day snacks and offer it to them with, the idea that if you're hungry, come and get a snack. You can put it away in the fridge for a couple hours and come back to it when they need a snack. So you sort of have it planned out for the day. It's an easy cleanup, and like I said, you can offer, pretty much anything that you think your kids would like on here. Okay, try it out, friends. Enjoy.